Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, dirita sa lake magtambay-tambay, mag-relax. Wow! Daghan kayo ang duck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Countless. Hindi maihap. Nice kayo din guys. Magtambay-tambay. Kapaniksik na suwan ayon sa duck sa
lahat na sasabihin ko, naniniwala ako na tunay ang pag-ibig
maligo eh.
Huwag lang pansinin
Pilipinas
nasa
maligo.
paligid mo.
Kaon.
Isipin mo
Grabe nilang
ika'y minamahal ko.
Ada kaya. Relax lang sila.
Hindi magbabago. Mahal, iwaksi mo. Pangamba sa puso mo. Walang mahalaga kundi ikaw lamang giliw.
Enjoy kayo sila na lang 1, 2, 3, 4. Inahan siguro. Bibugat mo. Kay bukayan sa pangalaman. Sabi ko naka-enjoy.
Kahit ano pang sabihin nila, hindi ito hadlang sa hangarin ko. Wagas na pag-ibig sigaw ng puso ko. Pag-ibig ko sa'yo
Ang ginaturan niya sila. Oh, kadyada. Kalami mag-relax. Paglingkod.
ang tanging pangarap ko ay ang pag-ibig mo giliw.
Sana pato na lang ako.
Lagi ang sigaw
Papapatungin. Yes, God.
kahit ano pang nakaraan mo. Walang sino man makapagbabago. Tapat ang pagmamahal ko sa'yo giliw ko. Kahit ano pang sabihin nila, hindi ito hadlang sa hangarin ko. Wagas na pag-ibig sigaw ng puso ko.
Kusog ka kayo silang lang ba nga. Pagamay sa ilang tiin. Mura ito. Relax kayo. Noon.
Kahit ano pang nakaraan mo, walang sino mang makapagbabago. Tapat ang pagmamahal ko sa'yo giliw ko.
Ini mo po direct yan mga naagid sa buaya. Dili alam na.
Sa hangarin mo, wagas na pag-ibig
Nga ang buaya nagsuksok kaya sa pan. Sa yuta. Sa ilalong, sa lapok. Hindi may alam na. Kating ako ito. Ay, ito na. Maada ang bitin. Ay! Sabi ko. Ulo. So, lakaw na tayo. Tak salad kay bago mo guys ang salad. Taho. Ano siya? Taas ka siya sa chibo sa YouTube. So, nito sa mga salad dito na makakita.
I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me. And what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me. Take into your hands a plan. Your own hands can land your own brand. And damn, I feel like no one takes accountability. They want the credibility, convincingly unwilling to put in the hours it takes to get some power. Don't be f***ing sour. Take a cold shower. Scream until you're louder. Work until you're prouder. And f*** all the doubters, they're just your downers. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. I'm just telling you to fight for your dreams, but it's not what it seems. Man, it's hard to be seen when everybody wants to be king. Yeah, they all wanna ring, yeah, we all wanna be free. So show me what you got, what you bring. How you fight in the ring, how you take a fucking swing. Do you got heart, are you mean? Got some scars, got some needs, are you willing to go bleed? I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown.
Windy kayo guys. Windy kayo.